Yo, what's up everybody, it's Spark. AI is everywhere you look these days, and it's not just about robots taking over the world, even though that's cool to think about. It's also about opportunity. Opportunity to do things differently, to work smarter, and yeah, to make some serious cash. In this video, we're going to break down 15 ways you can use AI to boost your income. We're talking real strategies, real potential here. So whether you're a tech whiz or just starting out, stick around because you don't want to miss this. First up, let's talk content. We all know content is king, right? But creating high-quality content takes time, effort, and let's be real, some serious creativity. That's where AI comes in. AI tools are out here changing the game. Think AI writers that can help you bust through writer's block and generate killer blog posts, articles, even social media captions. And it's not just about writing. Imagine AI-powered video editors that can help you create professional-looking videos in minutes. We're talking about tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and DALL-E 2. They're not just some tech demos. People are using these tools right now to level up their content game and earn serious money. You can sell your AI-generated content to businesses, build your own audience and monetize it, or even create your own digital products. This is just the tip of the iceberg. As AI gets smarter, the possibilities for content creation are going to be limitless. So if you're passionate about creating, this could be your golden ticket. Next up, let's talk e-commerce. The online marketplace is booming, and AI is right there in the thick of it, changing the game in some pretty major ways. Imagine personalized product recommendations that are so on point it's like the AI knows your taste better than you do. That's the kind of power AI brings to e-commerce. AI can analyze mountains of data, understand customer behavior, and even predict future trends. This means you can optimize your pricing, target the right customers with laser focus, and personalize their shopping experience like never before. We're talking about using AI chatbots to provide instant customer support, automating your inventory management, and even using AI to prevent fraud. Whether you're running your own online store or just starting out with dropshipping, AI can give you that competitive edge. Now, let's get into the world of finance. AI is like the ultimate trading partner, analyzing market trends and making lightning-fast decisions. We're talking about algorithmic trading here, where AI algorithms take the wheel and execute trades based on predefined rules and market conditions. It's not just for Wall Street anymore. There are AI-powered trading platforms out there that are making this technology accessible to everyone. These platforms can help you identify profitable trades, manage your risk, and even automate your entire trading strategy. But it's not just about trading stocks. AI is also making waves in the world of cryptocurrency. With the market being so volatile, having an AI by your side that can analyze trends and make predictions 24/7 is a game changer. Let's be real. Marketing can feel like a guessing game sometimes. You're throwing things at the wall and hoping something sticks, but AI is here to take the guesswork out of it. AI-powered marketing tools can analyze massive amounts of data about your target audience, their behavior, their preferences, everything. This means you can create highly targeted marketing campaigns that speak directly to the right people. No more wasting money on ads that miss the mark. We're talking about personalized email campaigns, dynamic pricing strategies, and even AI-powered chatbots that can qualify leads and nurture them through the sales funnel. The future of marketing is all about personalization and automation, and AI is the key to unlocking that future. Last but definitely not least, let's talk app development. The app market is still booming, and AI is opening up a whole new world of possibilities. Think about apps that can understand and respond to your voice commands, apps that can personalize your learning experience, or even apps that can diagnose diseases with impressive accuracy. Developing AI-powered apps might sound intimidating, but it's becoming more and more accessible. There are platforms out there that provide you with the tools and resources you need to build your own AI apps without needing a PhD in computer science. And the best part? The earning potential is huge. You can monetize your app through subscriptions, in-app purchases, or even by selling it to a larger company. So there you have it. 15 ways you can use the power of AI to level up your income game. From content creation to e-commerce, finance, marketing, and app development, AI is transforming the way we work and earn money. The best part is, we're still in the early stages. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities are going to be limitless. So if you're not already thinking about how you can incorporate AI into your life, now is the time to start. Big thanks to all of you for watching. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to jump into the world of AI, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And don't forget to let me know in the comments down below which AI strategy you're most excited about trying out. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.